Hello guys, you're all welcome back again. In today's video tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to cut and sew breast or chest suit welt pocket, and it's going to be step by step method to achieve. And please sit back and watch as we carry out this task. And before we proceed, I would like to have a like from you on this video. If you are new to my channel, do well to hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. Let us now proceed to work. The first thing which we need before we start fixing our pocket is to mark it out, and the wideness of the pocket is 3 inches. That is what I did. That pocket, this pocket right now is 3 inches. So, and I have already gummed the piece for the pocket. That's the piece to use in fixing the pocket, and the gum which I apply is just 2.5 inches gum on the length. I will commence my sewing. So I'm done with the sewing of the bottom. I will now bring the upper one. I place it, and in sewing the upper one, I needed to sew it in such a way that the stitch for the upper one will be less than in length of the lower one. So if I turn the back to cut, you will understand fully well what I mean. The length, if the length of the down one is 3 inches, so the upper one I will sew it 2 inches, leaving half inches on the both side. So half inches space on the both side. So I want to cut open right now the pocket. I want to cut open the pocket. So I will then turn the back. I will turn the back and I will cut from the back so that you will understand full well. Now you can see the back, how the back is. Tracing the black thread which I'm using in sewing it, find out that the lower stitch is longer than the upper stitch. So I'm cutting to stop at my stitch. I will not cut uh, uh, more than the stitch. I will not exceed the stitch. So once I cut it open, so the next thing I'm going to do is to fix the upper one right inside. I fix it inside, and I will run my stitch at the top of it. So, and if you are running your stitch, make sure you run at the tip. Make sure you run your stitch at the tip. So what I will do next is to send the lower one inside, and I will take it to my table, iron table, and iron it to open press that area, and I will return back. I'm back from my table. See, I iron it and I folded the pocket to be about 1 inch in the width. So I'm running my stitch to hold the pocket. After running the stitch, I will give a notch on both sides. Give a notch on both sides. Where the notch will end is where I started and end my stitch. So I will now turn the pocket to the front. I will still take it back to my table to fold the both side with my iron so that it will relax. So I'm going back to the ironing table to fold it with my light so that it will relax. I'm back. You can see it. I've ironed it and folded the two edge. You can see how it is. So I will commence to run stitch on that two side of it. Um, I'm running my stitch right now. I will also run on the other side of it. But before then, I will hold send the pocket, the one that projected out, and run stitch on top of it. So I will run on the opposite side right now. I'm running stitch on the opposite side. While running it, make sure you align it very well. I will now run for the other side of it and run the stitch on it. So what I will do right now is to close the pocket. I'm closing the pocket. I just close the pocket right now and I cut out some excesses from the pocket so that the work will look more better. So I will take it back to iron it and get back. So I'm back from my iron. So this is all about how to sew a breast pocket, suit breast pocket for 18 or 10 years. Thank you very much.